think it's time to go pro.
Adam Vinci is passionate about two things, selling trucks and improving his bowling. So he's enlisted the help of Hall of Fame bowler Carolyn Doran-Ballard. Let's see how it's going.
You told me you sold trucks. How good are you at that?
Get a free limited edition Roto Grip bowling ball when you take a test drive at Platinum Ford in Terrell.
Adam may not be a great bowler, but he sure can give you a great deal when you drive the difference at Platinum Ford.
It's in my head now. But I'm all like focused, like let's go.
Oh, let me focus. We're focused. Okay. Okay. 9.
Thanks a lot, CB. CBD, I think I'm ready to go. All I think is CDB, CDB, CDB. CDB.
Hey,
No?
Adam, not.
Is that not?
Hey, Adam, you stink.
Yeah. I am ready to go pro.